So here we have a problem that is, if f of x is equal to 2x plus 5, we want to find f of a, f of 3x, 2f of x, and f of x plus 1. So before I start walking through the step-by-step solution of this problem, keep in mind that if you have a similar problem that you're struggling with and not sure how to do it, you can leave that down in the comments below, or I also have my email down in the description below, and I can do a similar video for your problem if you'd like to see that. So walking through this one, if we have a problem like f of a, where the function is f of x and we're looking for f of a, that is just simply exchanging the variable x for the variable a. So in this case, I can just replace any place I see x, I'm going to replace it with a. So this would be 2a plus 5. And that's the whole thing for that problem. Now if I have f of 3x, so I have something more than just a single variable or just a different letter that I'm plugging in. In this case, I want to substitute every time I see x in the original problem, I want to substitute what is in the parentheses of the f of 3x. I want to plug in the 3x in for x. So in this case, what I want to do is anytime I see x in the problem, I want to open a parentheses or a bracket, depending on where you're from, and plug in what is in the f into that parentheses or bracket. And then I'll just bring down the rest. Okay, so that's my substitution. Now to simplify, I will multiply 2 times 3x is 6x, and so we have 6x plus 5 would be f of 3x. For this next problem, if I have a coefficient of my f of x, that means I need to multiply this entire f of x by 2. So I'll put a 2, and then I'll write my entire f of x inside a parentheses or bracket. 2x plus 5. And then distributing, I get 2 times 2x is 4x. And don't forget to distribute to every term inside the bracket or parentheses. 2 times 5 is 10. And those are not like terms, so we can't simplify anymore. So that would be the final answer there. Now, if I have f of x plus 1, this means I need to plug in x plus 1 for anywhere I see x in the original function. So that would be 2 open x plus 1, and then I'll close it. Now I need to bring down my plus 5. So now distributing to simplify, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 1 is 2, and then bring down my plus 5. Now I have like terms of 2 and 5, so I can add that to make 7. 2x plus 7 would be my final answer there. Okay, and that's this problem. So I hope this step-by-step solution was helpful for you. If it was, please like the video and share with anybody you think might find this information helpful. Also, as I mentioned earlier, if you have any questions that you'd like to see a step-by-step video on that you're struggling with in your homework or your class or in life in general, feel free to leave those down in the comments or to send me an email if it's like a photo. That would be easier to send so that I can make a step-by-step solution for you. Thanks for watching and happy studies.